Okay, I am back again. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Finally, I figured it out. I forgot to put one of the belts on the bobbin and one on here. Mine is different. I tried everything, and unfortunately, this is the way this works. So, I am turning the wheel. I need to twist it a bit. And I'm drafting at the same time. You can see it's really awkward for me to check the camera and spin it at the same time. Let's see if I can move this a bit like this so you can see it this way, this angle. So many bugs attracting. The fibers are attracting bugs. Well, I'm outside, unfortunately, due to fibers, so it gets so messy inside. So I wanted to do this outside, outdoors in my garden here. So this is what I'm doing. And I have to do it slow because I don't want it thin. And I did have a couple of at the beginning. I need this chunky. See, this is thin. And while I'm spinning the pedal, my feet gets cramps because I'm not used to this. For 2 years I haven't been spinning. Oh my goodness, I shouldn't. Yeah, I should spin once in a while. 2 months, 2 years is too long. So this is how I'm doing. Let me see. You can see this. So I'm drafting and I am spinning as I go. See how it turns, how it, and I don't want it that twisted. This is too much. This is Harvey Adria. She's in Alberta. This is her fiber, and it's super clean. I can't believe how clean this is. Like I bought from a lot of places in the past decade, and her fiber is super clean. And I hope you're watching this. I'm really happy. Thank you so much. Oops, see it broke. That's an easy fix. So what I do is I will draft this and I will grab some fiber from here and hold it like this. Just like this, and then pull, draft, and then let it go and let the spinning wheel do its work. I'll hold and do the twist, and then I will let it go, and then pull. It's so fun. This is like so fun, but again, it's time consuming. So I'm gonna twist that. So let it twist and hold, and then twist again. Pull, graft. Like I said, I learned how to spin on a spindle, a drop spindle, and then the better I become, well, there's no better, you learn things every day, but I needed more room because the spindle, you can't spin too much yarn on the spindle. So what I did is I ended up buying this. I wasn't happy with the e-wheel that I purchased because the bobbin was too small. But after, there's so many new things out there, but they're expensive again. So I'm gonna stick with this until who knows what's gonna happen, right? Yeah, my feet got used to it. So just wanted to share you this, how it's been. You can see, and you can see my setup on the bobbin. See, that's how I have mine. I don't have those extra things, the wires. That didn't work on mine. I don't know. Maybe I didn't know how to do it when I was learning. Because I set up this myself and it was like a nightmare for me. No one helped me. And when I did this, when I set it up, because it came into pieces, right? Came into with a couple of boxes. And I bought the 2 pedal, and I have the 1 pedal. This is 2, as you can see, and I have 1 as well. I don't use the 1 because I like the 2, and I only use 1 foot, but yeah, I like this way, and I kept it. So just wanted to share you this part. Yeah. Let me just spin more. It's really hard because it's sunny outside, right? And I can't see the camera, but let me just spin so you can look at it. And I'm doing it slowly, and I will let you go. Twist, and then let it go to the bobbin. Mostly, lots of people are spinning it thin, like lace. But my customers, they want their garments fluffy. And with the thin, it doesn't work for me. Unfortunately, thin, I have to do a couple of strands, couple of plies. And yeah, that doesn't work for me. So worsted is not even enough. Bulky, chunky, that's what I need to knit those chunky, fluffy cardigans, dresses. They're expensive because Angora rabbit is expensive. So I can't change that rule. Angora rabbit is really rare to find. And when you find it, you grab it. Especially local. Of course, when you have the money. That's another thing. Sometimes when you're carding, you miss these little vegetables. So when you're spinning, you can grab them. Even when you're spinning, you miss them. That happens to me a lot. So what happens is when you're knitting, you grab them. So there's several steps. But this fiber is very clean, definitely. Okay. if you can see me. I'm just randomly turning the camera, fortunately. Okay, I will let you go. It's beautiful outside. It rained all night. So just 2 hours ago, it was still cloudy, but the sun came out of the clouds, and so I will enjoy the weather. You guys take care. This is how it looks like. Happy knitting, crocheting, spinning, whichever you're doing. Enjoy the life to the fullest. Take care. Bye-bye.